morning, sir.
Oh, good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So, what is your concern for today's?
Gusto ko lang po sana makita yung kung ano ba yung mga kung ano yung resulta ng aking.
How about your grade?
Yes.
So, in this subject, you got this grade. You see it. You've got the 90 grade in this subject because you've got every quizzes or station output. You've got the highest score in your class. So therefore, you've got this high grade in this class. So is there any concern about your grade?
Wala na po. Sa tingin ko po ay nagawa ko po naman yung best ko para maging mataas yung grada po. So that's...
Now, after the quarter, of course, the faculty may release any card or for the recognition in behalf of your grade, and also the total of the general average of the whole term. Now, congratulations, Miss.
Thank you,
so
sir.
you've deserved this kind of grade. Thank you.
Thank you. Sir.
Oh, good morning, Miss Princess. So, today I called you to the faculty because I want you to be with your parent by tomorrow because I want to give any concerns about your grade in this subject. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So you may leave, and by tomorrow, please bring your parent here in the faculty. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Pinapatawag ka sa school.
Bakit daw?
Hindi ko alam. Pinapatawag ka lang ni sir.
Kailan tayo pupunta ng school?
Bukas pa ng umaga.
Okay, sige.
Sige po. Good morning, sir. Nandito po yung
Oh,
mama.
good morning. Good morning, Mrs. And good morning, Miss Princess. So, Mrs. There's a bit concern of your daughter's grade in this subject. Let's look up on her grade. So as you see on the screen, she only got a few of the scores in a bit on the quizzes, exams, and oral recitations. So she only got a 74 in this grade.
So, ano po ang gagawin po ng anak ko po, sir, upang makapasa po siya?
In this matter, I will require her to submit some of the requirements because there are some she lacked on pass to those kind of requirements. No, she has an INC or the incomplete to some requirements. So I have here a promissory note, and you will sign this. So in the next term, she will eligibly to comply all those requirements and to make her grades to foster more and to uphold more in her performances. So can you please sign this very sorry note? Now, thank you for signing this very sorry, and hopefully I can give you a chance increasing your grade if you just comply all those requirements. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. So, is this your
Yes, sir.
requirement that I've given class to you? So, hopefully I will take this. Now, okay, good. And let me give you a score about your output. So, I give you this score, and your total grade is reach upon the 85. So you've passed the subject, So hopefully, as I promised, if you just comply your projects, the requirements, you can be passed and possibly passed to this subject. So thank you, Miss.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.